What's good, family? Today we're going over 5 sneaker tips I wish I would have learned sooner. I was looking through my video ideas list today and I'm low-key running out of options, so I decided to make this special video for you to save you the headache, especially if you're a new collector. Contrary to popular belief, collecting sneakers has its ups and downs, and if I could save y'all some of the hassle, I definitely will. But if you're doing up enjoying this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below. If y'all get this to over 150 likes, I'll make sure to do a part 2 to this video or more videos like this. Let me know you enjoy it in the comments. Also subscribe, because we're like 90 subscribers away from 25,000 subscribers, which I greatly appreciate y'all. But all that being said, let's get into this video. The first tip I have for y'all is, if you're spending a bunch of money on sneakers, make sure that whatever you're buying is something you could wear with almost anything or everything. It's crucial for me to pick up sneakers that go with almost every piece of clothing in my wardrobe, especially if I'm spending close to $1,000 for the shoe. As y'all could clearly see, I follow this rule. I got the black Prestos, black off-white ones, black Travises, and the black off-white 5s. I do this for a reason, because I know I could throw these on with damn near everything. Recently, I have been kind of shying away from it, because as y'all see, I have a bunch of shoes. But if you're getting one hype sneaker, I would definitely recommend you to get something that you could just wear with damn near everything. Preferably for me, it's a black shoe, because they last longer as well. So I know that my money will last me longer if I get something like these black Air Force Ones or the black Prestos. The second tip I have for y'all is to wear your sneakers before it's too late. These sneakers do have a shelf life, and if you think I could just keep this sneaker dead stock and it's gonna be wearable 15, 10 years down the line, you're mistaken, because 9 times out of 10 the shoes will fall apart. Best example I could give y'all is my Jordan 6 Varsity Reds. I bought these a few years back. When I decided to throw them on, literally the first couple wears, they started cracking away, and that's because the leather never got stretched out, midsole never got worn too much, so this is getting soft, which means a little bit down the line I'll be able to just rub this off, which is damn near a sneakerhead nightmare. Air bubble is getting fogged up, which basically means these are almost done for, and this is my favorite Jordan 6. Wear your shoes before it's too late, because I low-key got a few more wears in these before I feel like they're gonna be done for. At the end of the day, sneakers are meant to be worn, and if you don't wear them, they'll fall apart. Another example is the Jordan 4 Travis Scotts. I've had these since they released, and I've worn them twice. I know it's not too far out, it's been like 6 years, but I do have to start wearing these, because if not, once 10 years hit or a little bit longer, these will start falling apart. So I gotta make the effort to try and wear these shoes, and it becomes a bigger problem when you have a bigger collection, because it's like, I'm not just gonna wear these on a regular day. That's where the issue comes along, when it's like, if you're not gonna wear them, you won't ever be able to wear them. So just make sure you wear your sneakers. The third tip I'm gonna give y'all is the fact that every sneaker collection needs a beater, a heater, and a sneaker you could wear every day. I actually have 2 beaters in my collection. My first one being the True Blue 3s. Y'all can see these are cooked. It's something about 3s that I just love, and I destroyed these. Yeah, these have seen brighter days. The leather's peeling off, stars are disappearing and all that, but it's necessary. I also have the Baron Jordan 1s. Love this pair. I really hope they retro these. Once again, another beater in the collection. You definitely need some beaters, bro. When it's raining outside, when you gotta take the trash out, when you about to run around and you know some bullshit's going on and you don't really care about the shoe, you need these. Definitely need an everyday sneaker. For me, it's the Yeezy 350 V2 Statics. I've been wearing these every day for like over a year. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, bro, I've been wearing these and it's okay. What I definitely will say about an everyday shoe, I would honestly just stick to a black sneaker. I've been wearing these all the time, and I'm pretty sure y'all can't even tell. They still look good, low key, a little white down, and they'll be looking perfect. Could also be something something like the Jordan 3 Fire Reds, where it's not something that you want to wear on a special event, but you could definitely pull these out. You're going to the store real quick, to the mall, spending some time with the fam, going to a restaurant, you could pull something casual like this. You need that one shoe where it's like a special occasion, you're doing something special that you want to tie a memory to and not just have a GR on right here. The next tip is actually an important one. Don't go broke buying sneakers, bro. I've done it in the past and I regretted this shit. There's always gonna be a new release on the way. Jordan brand is dropping a new retro every week, so if you can't make it to buy the retro this week, it's okay to skip on it, because next week there's gonna be a new retro. These retros aren't even selling out half the time, so it's like, if you have bills, if you have priorities, don't put the pair of sneakers on credit, please. Especially if you don't have the money to buy them. It just doesn't make sense. You already probably have some sneakers in your collection, especially if you're watching this video. Don't go out there and spend your last on a pair of kicks and then end up eating ramen noodles for a week or cereal just to make ends meet and balance shit off, bruh. Like, it's crazy. Just wait for the next release. You're gonna be high. This next tip might not even be a tip. OGs and classics will always be the best. They'll always stand the test of times, and in my opinion, 9 times out of 10, they even look the best. For the purpose of the video, the example I'm gonna give y'all is the Jordan 3 Green Glows. Although this is a clean sneaker, all praise goes to it. When you put it next to these white cements, just know that there's only one way and there's only one right choice. OGs will always win. I'll stand for that till I die, because it is what it is. You just can't go wrong. This might even be a better example. Jordan 1 Game Royals, Royal Toe, I don't even know what these are called anymore, but when you compare these to the OG Royals, come on, bro, there's only one answer. For me, at least, I just love the way OGs have that vibe to them, and I just appreciate it a little bit more. There's more story behind it, has more meaning, so I would highly recommend to go out there and learn a little bit about the OG models. If you don't know, it'll make you appreciate some of these re-releases a little bit more than just going into it blindly. Tip number 6 is something we say loosely in the sneaker community, but I wanted to make sure that I put it in this video, and it's to buy what you like, not what's hyped. Question I've been asking myself recently is this: if I saw it sitting on the shelf, would I still buy it? If I knew that the sneaker wasn't gonna sell out, is it something that I would walk into the store and still buy? That's a very important question to ask yourself, especially when you're spending $200 plus on these sneaker releases. Not too long ago, I asked myself that question and I pulled out every sneaker that I said no to. I sold the Fearless Jordan 1s, patent leather all over, too many colors. I wouldn't really want these if I didn't take the W on sneakers for retail. Sometimes you enter because you know that you might not even be able to get them, so you want to test your luck, and I'm kind of past that at this point. If I don't like some shit, I just don't like it. Chop it up to the game, wait till the next release. I had those undefeated dunks, the ones with the blue snake skin on it. Bro, those are ass. Why did I buy them? Because I got them for retail. But it's one of them things where if I walk into the mall and I see those on the shelf at the store, I might not even pick them shits up type beat. So just make sure you ask yourself, is this worth me working for 5 hours or whatever to buy this shoe? Is this something I'm aware? All these questions are valid questions because you're spending your hard-earned money, and it's even to the point where I'd rather not buy 3-4 GRs and get a hyped pair of sneakers that you know you'll cherish and wear and feel good about wearing. Buy what you like, not what's hyped. I have a list of more tips, but I'm gonna give y'all one more for this video. If y'all want a part 2, make sure y'all get this to over 150 likes. Share it with a fellow sneakerhead. Let me know in the comments what's the most important tip you heard in this video, and don't forget to subscribe to see when we post more content. The last tip might not even be a tip, it's just something I wish I knew going into it. The sneaker game needs resellers. This might be the first place that you ever heard this. I know people normally shit on resellers because they take the shoe and they sell it for higher, but if you really like sit back and think about this shit, if there was no resellers, there would be no aftermarket. So that means there's no hype, there's no demand. If there's hype, there's demand. This whole sneaker YouTube shit wouldn't even be a thing if there wasn't somebody buying the shoes and selling them. And I think to a certain extent, Nike knows it, that they need the push of resellers. And in a way, we're all resellers, bro. Think about it. You buy a shoe, you wear it, the price goes up, you stop wearing the sneaker, guess what you're gonna do? You might fuck around and sell it. I literally told y'all earlier in this video that I went through my collection and I saw sneakers that I wasn't really wearing, planning to wear, and I exiled them out of the collection. Guess what I did? I resold them. It's natural and it's okay. Now, we're not talking about the people that buy 5,000 pairs and don't allow us to pick up the sneakers. That's a little bit more iffy, a little bit more questionable, but at the end of the day, I buy early sneakers, so I have like a kind of skewed opinion on it because I need it for content. To each his own. That's the last tip or thing I wish I knew before getting into sneakers. I appreciate y'all for making it to the end of this video. If you made it this far, comment your favorite sneaker all time. I'm actually interested to see what y'all comment, and I always do try to reply to every comment. If I don't get to it, it's cause shit, bro, your boy be tired. But I appreciate all the love y'all been giving me. You know exactly what to do if you want a part 2. Subscribe to the channel. We're this close to 25,000 subscribers. Y'all could literally make it happen. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Have a great rest of your day, night, morning, evening, whenever you're watching this video. And all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in one of these 2 videos, bro. That's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your previous history. I didn't say it, they did. So click one of them 2 videos and I'm gonna catch y'all there. Peace.